How to hide offensive comments on Instagram. So we can go to Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the three lines at the top right corner. From here in your settings, you want to scroll down until you see where it says how others can interact with you, and you want to go to the hidden words section. So from here, you can really filter out what you see and what is shown, and you can go ahead and hide comments and things like that that are potentially offensive to you. What you can do is go through where it says custom words for messages and comments and manage custom words and phrases. So from here, you can actually type in words that you want Instagram to hide or block or not show publicly on your profile. So we can go ahead and just type in the first couple letters of certain words, and you can go ahead and just keep on adding words and different phrases so that Instagram itself will not be able to show those publicly on your profile, and you'll be able to have a more appropriate Instagram interaction and environment that you want. And that's it. It's very simple to do, and you can go back and take those out if you so please.